What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Be Easy. Now, it is about 11 a.m. and I've been doing a fast today, so I'm having my first meal. And I thought, you know what? Let me just make a video of this. It's something that I really enjoy, and it's really simple to make, just a few ingredients, and it's really quick. So, this is my version of kind of like a tuna melt, I guess. And when I tell people about this, they kind of get a little disgusted, but I promise you it's really good, especially if you like tuna. So let me flip this camera around so you can see what I'm working with. All right, so this is the tuna that I like to use. It's hickory smoked flavor. It's really good. You can eat this straight out of the pack. It's delicious. I'm going to use 1 egg. You see, I've already got the tuna in the bowl here when I decided to make this video. Some shredded cheese. Going to use a little onion salt, garlic powder, just regular salt and pepper. Now, what I'm going to do is mix the egg and cheese and just a dash of each of these ingredients. I'm going to stir it up, and then I'm going to fry it. So I will try to do this on camera, although it might be difficult with one hand. Come on. Look at that, boy. One-handed egg crack. No shell going in there either. Oh, never mind. I lied. Alright. Get that shell out. Alright, next is some of this cheese right here. I don't measure any of this. I just put whatever I feel like I need. So some cheese, hit with a little salt. Now I like pepper with this, so you just put as much as you think that you would like. I got this garlic powder. And then I got this onion salt. That's right, great value. You see, great value. Saving some money, you know. Now, I didn't really put all that much in there. It's just kind of clumped up inside there. So I got to shake pretty hard. So now I'm just going to stir this up. So give me just a second so I can actually stir this. Alright, so I got it mixed up here. Stirred up. Now I'm going to take this to my oven, my stove top. So I cook this on about a medium high, and I'm going to use some of this cooking spray. Alright, now I'm going to give this just a second to kind of heat up, and then I'm going to pour this in. Alright, now I like using this small frying pan because this is about the perfect amount to fill up the whole bottom of the pan, and it just kind of makes a nice shape. And all you're doing is making a patty out of this bad boy. This only takes a minute to cook. So you're really only kind of frying the egg. Turn it down a hair. And I'm going to stand back because it gets to popping a little bit. You see, I turned the heat down just a little. You just don't want to have the heat so high that you kind of burn the outside before the middle is done. I mean, a pretty basic cooking tip, I think. But anyway, we'll let this do its thing and flip it. So give me just a minute. All right, now you can kind of see now in the center that egg is starting to get done. So it should be about ready to flip. I'm going to attempt this with one hand. May get a little ugly. Oh boy, it's not going well. And real quick, boom. Alright, now I know I'll pause the video while the first side cooked. So I cooked it maybe about 3 minutes on the first side, about 3 minutes on each side will be about perfect. Now this is a meal that I don't eat like maybe once or twice a week, but it's really quick and easy, and it's cheap. I mean, the pack of tuna is like, I don't know, like a little over $1, I think. So you got an egg, what are you looking at, 10 cents? So, and it tastes really good. You give it a try if you like tuna. And that's pretty much it. So I want to let that continue to cook for another minute, and I'll be eating good in the neighborhood. So thanks for watching. If you have any tips, questions, see anything, you just want to say hi, hit me up in the comments. Till the next one, guys, be easy.